I've just had the strangest call from the Child Maintenance Service. When I answered the call, which came up on my phone as Child Maintenance Service, the chap at the other line said, "Hello, I'm calling from the Child Support Agency." Now I thought to myself, hold on, this is a bit weird, because the Child Support Agency was actually abolished in around 2012. So 12 years ago, the Child Support Agency closed. So I thought, this is a bit suspicious, okay. So I said to him, "Oh, where are you phoning from?" And he was a bit hesitant to tell me, but then he said he was from Hastings. Now, what's really weird is the fact that obviously this guy called me up saying he's from the Child Support Agency from Hastings. Now, I've no idea if Hastings is a office of the Child Maintenance Service, okay, but I'm going to go with that because at the end of the day, I don't think I've lost out on anything other than maybe a few security details which I've just given him, because obviously I did question him on that, and I'm quite certain that he was actually for the Child Maintenance Service and not the Child Support Agency, as he said. Anyway, so he called me up to say my case is closed, or being closed as of the 21st of August. But he said he had a query because I originally reported an effective date of the 5th of August. I didn't actually ask for the case to be closed because I am the non-resident parent. What I did do is I did report a change, and I did state that actually at that time that I had primary care of the child. The child had decided to come with me primary care. Things have subsequently changed. We now have a brilliant solution that works well for my daughter, works well for me, and works well for my ex-partner, where my daughter comes and stays for 3 nights per week. That gives us stability. It also means it's not the same thing, because obviously 6 days pass and the cycle changes very slightly. That works really well for all of us because it means we can plan stuff. So I wasn't expecting the case to be closed. However, my daughter did say this morning that she'd spoken to Mum, and Mum had told her that the case had been closed or was being closed. So I just don't know what to think now, because this is really weird. The CMS have called me today and they've quibbled over whether it's effective from the 5th of August to the 21st of August. So what I said to them was, look, if you're closing the case, I don't really care whether it's the 5th or the 21st of August, just get the case closed. So do it from the 21st of August. I just thought it was really weird that they're asking me, the non-resident parent, and what if I said no, it was the 5th of August? What were they going to do? Go back to the other person who has presumably said, please close the case? Because I haven't asked for the case to be closed. I did report a change of carer, but I haven't asked for the case to be closed. And normally, when you report a change of carer, they go to child benefit. Now, I don't claim the child benefit, so I wasn't expecting a change, which makes it really weird, because if you watched my videos before, you will know that I've said to people, when the child comes to live with you, you have to make your own child benefit claim in order to get the CMS swapped to you. I haven't made a child benefit claim. So I am really, really confused now. And hopefully my case is being closed. Hopefully it's not a mistake. But I just couldn't believe this morning the guy rings me and tells me he's from the Child Support Agency. You can't make that up. You really can't make that up. The poor guy from Hastings doesn't know who he actually works for, or he's caught in some time loop. Who knows? Really, really strange. But hey, hopefully my case is being closed. If it is, that's fantastic, because to be honest, I don't think the CMS works for us. It's a bone of contention. It doesn't really work. My charges would be currently 3 days out of 6, which there you go. But anyway, what more can I say? Have a good day.